He videoing my truck, I'm videoing his. Yeah. That's crazy.
I'm telling my wife, I said, I think that's him right there.
Oh, that's you back there? Okay. One person showed up. Oh, you don't see the inside?
No, I see it a little bit.
Oh, look at that shit. Now, can you imagine being in this motherfucker with that bitch?
I'm not going to.
Yeah.
I like my bread.
It ain't gonna be that bad.
They're gonna talk to me right here, and I'm like,
Godfather series.
That's why.
Oh man, I can't wait to get this thing wired up, man. I'm gonna try to
do this out himself.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it going. If not this week, definitely next week.
Yeah.
Get up there and get the batteries. Put the batteries going in there. And I gotta go get 2 more of those to go on this side. What you got in there now?
4 XT4 15s on 2 XT8Ks. It ain't loud. It ain't loud.
It's just enough to
That's a 60.8.
It's enough to make you go deaf. It's just not loud. You know,
well, he does a 57 in the blow through.
You kidding me?
No.
Well, hold on. Let me pay for this stuff. We gotta go out there. We might have to go out there to the cornfield, man, so nobody don't hear this.
We're gonna have to go a lot further than that. Oh my God. No, I gotta get a picture of this. I've been seeing it for the last minute. Like, nobody understands how cool this shit is.
Really?